The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 continues its legacy as one of the most refined and dependable diesel pusher motorhomes in the luxury Class A segment. Designed for travelers who want both comfort and long-distance confidence, this model blends proven engineering with modern upgrades that elevate the overall driving and living experience. Built on the robust Freightliner or Spartan chassis, the Dutch Star 2026 delivers a smooth and confident ride powered by a strong diesel engine that feels equally capable on highways and mountain roads. The air suspension system and advanced steering technology significantly reduce driver fatigue, making long journeys feel effortless and controlled. From the outside, the 2026 Dutch Star showcases Newmar's signature full-paint masterpiece finish, giving it a premium and timeless look. The aerodynamic body design not only enhances visual appeal but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency and reduced road noise while cruising. Step inside, and the interior immediately reflects luxury and thoughtful craftsmanship. High-quality hardwood cabinetry, plush seating, and refined materials create a warm residential atmosphere. The open floor plans provide excellent movement space, making the coach feel larger and more inviting. The living area is designed for relaxation and entertainment, featuring large sofas, theater seating options, and a high-definition entertainment system. Expansive windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, while powered shades provide privacy and light control at the touch of a button. The kitchen in the Dutch Star 2026 is both elegant and highly functional. Solid surface countertops, a residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, and ample storage make it ideal for full-time living or extended trips. The layout ensures ease of use, even while preparing meals on the road. Sleeping accommodations are equally impressive, with a spacious master bedroom that emphasizes comfort and tranquility. The king-size bed option, generous wardrobe storage, and well-placed lighting create a true home-like environment, perfect for restful nights after long drives. The bathroom setup reflects Newmar's attention to detail, offering a spa-inspired experience with premium fixtures, a large shower, and refined finishes. Some floor plans feature a split bath design, enhancing convenience for both owners and guests. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Dutch Star, with advanced driver assist features, digital control panels, and integrated smart systems. Climate control, lighting, and entertainment can be managed seamlessly, adding ease and efficiency to everyday use. Safety is another strong point, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision mitigation, and enhanced braking systems. These additions provide peace of mind, especially during long-distance travel or in challenging driving conditions. Overall, the Newmar Dutch Star 2026 stands out as a premium motorhome that successfully balances luxury, performance, and reliability. It is an excellent choice for RV enthusiasts seeking a refined travel experience, whether for extended road trips or full-time RV living.